Your next chapter is chapter 5, how much more, how much less. Okay, in this video you are going to learn about how to do additions using beads mala. Okay, in the chapter 5 you are going to learn about additions and subtractions story sums, how to write the answers for additions and subtractions story sums. Okay, now see how to do the addition using beads mala. Okay, first see here what they are doing here, children. They are adding 12 plus 28 by using beads mala. This is called as a beads mala. See, small circles are kept in one wire side by side. It is like a chain. The girls will wear the chains, right? Okay, how the chain will be in the same way. This is a beads mala. In using beads mala, they are doing the additions. Okay, first what you need to understand is, first how many circles you are having in light orange color, light red color. See, 10 you will be having side by side. This is one color, one colored circles. These are all 10. All these are 10. Okay, next you are having in dark color, no, that next will be 10. Again here also 10. This also 10. Okay, side by side 10 10, group of 10 10, same color circles you will be having. Did you understand this one? Let's see the next one. Okay, first what they are doing, 12 plus 28 they are adding. Here they have started. First, while doing this, you need to write the first number. You need to mark the first number like this on beads. What you need to do, first you need to write the what is the first number, you need to mark on the beads mala. After writing like this, the next number you need to divide. The what is the next number? It is 28. You can count directly 28, but it will become very long if you start counting from after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that. You need to add 28 circles to the 12 circles. To the 12 circles you need to add the 28. Okay, like that. After 12 you need to count 28, then you need to mark the answer, how many from starting to ending. Instead of doing like that, see how I am telling the answer. For 28, divide the 28 into numbers. How can you divide? Means you can write for 28 20 plus 8. Yes or no? For again 20 means again I need to count 20 circles. Okay, it will be long. That's why I am doing for 20 10 plus 10. 10 plus 20 is 20 only. Again I will write here plus 8. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. How I have divided 28? Did you understand? For 28 I am writing like this. Instead of counting all 28 circles at a time, I will count first 10 circles, then 10, then 8 circles. Understood now? See, what Karuna has done is, she has done in an reverse order. Instead of doing in this way, how she wrote is, she has done 8 plus 10 plus 10. Instead of writing 10 plus 10 plus 8, she wrote 8 plus 10 plus 10. 8 plus 10 plus 10 is again 28 only. See, 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 plus 10 is 28. Okay, now see what she has done on beads mala. First, she is having the number 8. No, she has counted 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8, it will be from here. See, after 12, marking 12, she has counted 8 circles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this. Up to here she counted, she got 8 circles. After 8, what number you are having here? 10. Again she has counted 10 circles. No need of counting, because after this dark color you are having light color circles. I already told you each group will be having 10 10. That's why she kept like this. You need to write like this. First she has counting plus 8 circles, after that plus 10. Again you are having 10 here. After that you are getting dark color circles, that is again plus 10. Total how many you got? Now she will count. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10, how much here? 40. While you are counting like this side by side, you will get your answer easily by using beads mala. Next, what Karuna has done, see, First I wrote 10 plus 10 plus 8. In the same way she has done. You can write the answer in the way which is easy for you. You can write in that way. But whenever you count these numbers, whenever you add these numbers, you need to get the same answer. Okay, understood? The one more way what you can write like this also, 10 plus 8 plus 10, you can write like this also, because see, when you add these three numbers you are getting 28 only. In three ways you can represent on beats mala. See how Karuna has done, 12 plus 10 she done. Okay, first in her answer what is there, 10 number is there, that's why she counted 10. After 10 again she counted 10 circles. Children, while you are doing this beats mala, when you are representing on beats mala, I am telling you again, what is the first number in your two numbers is 12. First you need to mark the 12 in this way. Okay, in this way you need to mark 12. Next, how many you are counting? 10. That's why she has kept like this. Okay, it is like jumping from one number to the another number. Two, after writing like this arrow mark, she wrote on the arrow mark plus 10. After again she is getting plus 10, again she wrote like this and she wrote plus 10 on that. The last number is plus 8. 8 circles she counted and she wrote like this, and on that she wrote plus 8. Total how much she got? 48. Okay, did you understand up to here? Next, what has Rajendra done? See, instead of dividing, I have divided 28 just now into three numbers, 10 plus 10 plus 8. But Rajendra done 20 plus 8. Instead of writing 10 plus 10 plus 8, he thought of writing 20 plus 8. You can do like this also, but it will be somewhat long process for you. Okay, after writing 12, he marked 12 first. After that, what is the first number he got here? 20. He has drawn the arrow mark in this way and he wrote on the arrow mark plus 20. After writing plus 20, what is the number here? Plus 8. From here again he drawn an arrow mark and he wrote plus 8 here. Okay, I think you have understood how to represent on beats mala. Okay.